Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In this video, we are going to learn the letters of Maddah. First of all, you have to learn what is Jazm and what is Sakin letter before you learning Maddah letters. This sign is called Jazm sign. A letter that carries a Jazm is called Sakin. For example, Waw has Jazm, so Waw is Sakin. Ra has Jazm, so Ra is Sakin. Even any letter when comes with Jazm, then it is called Sakin letter. The letters of Maddah. Maddah means stretch and elongate, longer sound. There are three letters of Maddah. These are Alif, Waw and Ya. Alif, Waw and Ya. When there is Zabar before Alif, it becomes Alif Maddah, e.g. Ba, Alif Zabar, Ba. When Zabar comes before Alif, it becomes Alif Maddah. Ba, Alif Zabar, Ba. Jim, Alif Zabar, Ja. Next, Waw Maddah. When there is Pesh before Waw Sakin, it becomes Waw Maddah, e.g. Ba, Waw Pesh, Ru. When Pesh comes before Waw Sakin, it becomes Waw Maddah. When Waw has Jazm and Pesh comes before it, any letter can come instead Hamza. Hamza Waw Pesh U, Ba Waw Pesh U. Any letter can come instead Hamza. Next, when there is Zir before Ya Sakin, becomes Ya Maddah, e.g. Ba Ya Zir, B. When Ya has Jazm and Zir comes before it, Hamza Ya Zir, E. Waw Ya Zir, B. Pronounce the letters of Maddah by elongating them up to one alif, i.e. up to 2 harakat. Ba, Alif Zabar, Ba. Ba, Waw Pesh Hu. Ba, Ya Zir, B. Ba, Ru, B. I hope you like this video. If you like it, so please share with your friends and family members. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.